our focus. For the first time in nearly 3 decades, Delhi University is set to expand its campus with the establishment of Veer Savarkar College in Najafgarh. Prime Minister Modi will lay the foundation stone for the college today. The event is part of a broader initiative with the Prime Minister also unveiling 2 other major projects for DU, a new academic block at the eastern campus in Suraj Mahal Vihar and another at the western campus in Dwarka. Listen into this reaction.
You just mentioned will be Veer Savarkar College. What is the reason behind that and what is the idea?
Reason, Savarkar is Savarkar. Savarkar doesn't need any introduction. And when Delhi University decided this in somewhere in 2021, before my joining, Delhi University decided to start this college, and we are very happy and we are very proud to start this college in the name of Veer Savarkar.
So is it true that the decision was taken in the meeting that was held in the year 2021, or it's a recent decision to name this college?
No, 2021. Decision was taken in 2021, but we are implementing with pride that.
Sir, as far as the name is concerned of the college, the name itself, the individual itself has been always in the controversy.
First of all, I am pained to think about anything about Savarkar, and when you are saying that some people are saying that he is Deshdrohi, it's a very painful statement. The Savarkar is inspiration of young and bright minds of India. Savarkar is Savarkar. Savarkar doesn't need any introduction. He is the great son of India.
The decision has ignited a political firestorm, with the BJP and the Congress once again clashing over Savarkar's legacy. The Congress has labelled the move as an attempt to legitimize Savarkar's contested role in the freedom struggle, pointing to his alleged collaboration with British colonial authorities and the contentious nature of his Hindutva ideology.
I oppose it because Savarkar kneeled down before British, and he was on pension of the British given by, and he tendered the apology. What message will go to the students that if they read the history, then their so-called hero had tendered apology not once but 6-7 times. One, and second, that he opposed the Constitution. That means that a person who was opposing this Constitution is going to be declared a hero.
NSUI, the student wing of the Congress party, has written to Prime Minister Modi, urging him to name the upcoming college after former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh instead of Veer Savarkar.
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी का देहांत हुआ है, और डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी की जो एकेडमिकल जर्नी भी रही है वो, और 2009 में जो राइट टू एजुकेशन बिल लाए हों, ये सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट लेकर आए हों, उस सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट से एक बड़ा योगदान भी देश को मिला था और तमाम राज्यों में सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज भी ओपन हुई थी. आपने देखा होगा कि इस तरह की उनकी पूरी एकेडमिकल जर्नी बहुत एक इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी भी रही है. तो मेरी नरेंद्र मोदी जी से डिमांड है कि जो कल वो कल कॉलेज ओपन करने जा रहे हैं, उसका नाम डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी के नाम पर रखना चाहिए, ना कि सावरकर के नाम पर.
Meanwhile, the BJP has doubled down, hailing Savarkar as a patriot whose contributions to India's independence were unjustly maligned.
कांग्रेस को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जब कुछ नहीं कर पाते तो वीर सावरकर को लेके बैठ जाते हैं, और वीर सावरकर पे बोलते तो हम पूछे इंदिरा गांधी ने उनको सराहनीय पत्र क्यों लिखा, इंदिरा गांधी ने क्यों उन पे डाक टिकट निकाला. तो इसलिए इनको कांग्रेस भी भ्रमित है, आम पार्टी भ्रमित है. जिस भी व्यक्ति ने देश को आजादी के लिए, कुर्बानी के लिए त्याग और दिया है, वो हमारे लिए आराध्य है, पूजना चाहिए. इन जैसे लोगों से, बोगस लोगों से तो कम से कम वो बहुत अच्छे हैं और पूजनीय हैं.
सावरकर जी को तो भारत रत्न देना चाहिए. हम तो बार बार मांगनी कर रहे हैं ना, शिवसेना तो बार बार मांगनी कर रहे हैं, सावरकर ये भारत रत्न इनको देना चाहिए. ये तो हमारी मांग बार बार रही है. अच्छा, सिर्फ सावरकर का नाम कॉलेज को होके नहीं चलेगा, सावरकर के विचार भी सब में लाना चाहिए. सरकार सिर्फ सावरकर का नाम लेती है लेकिन विचार तो नहीं लाती.
Interestingly, we have seen that after a decade of wait, now the entire waiting process has come to a conclusion, where Prime Minister himself has now laid down the foundation stone of Veer Savarkar campus here in Najafgarh. And as you can see behind me, Prime Minister here is speaking, and people are listening to him very carefully, because ultimately the messaging is being given by the Prime Minister, country supremo, with regards to how important these policies and how important this entire campus is going to be. And not only that the women are in the larger number, but interestingly there are men here, those have also got their childrens as well. Even the Delhi University campus authorities say that they are also delighted to have Veer Savarkar's campus being named after this ideological leader, and henceforth it is an honor for them as well to introduce this sort of campus being named after Veer Savarkar, and henceforth now it's being inaugurated. This is the very place where this entire campus will be made.